Hello boys and girls, and welcome to another exciting mathematics class. Today we're going to look at subtraction without renaming. So today you're going to be able to subtract, and you're also going to be able to recall or remember some of those clue words that tells us when we should use subtraction. So to get started, let's start with some drills. You are free to use your counters if you must. 9 take away 5. What is 9 take away 5? Let's use our superpower thinking skills. 9 take away 5 is equal to 4. Very good. 6 take away 4. 6 take away 4 leaves us with 2. Good job. Let's keep it moving. 4 take away 2. What is 4 take away 2? 2. Awesome. 5 take away 2. 5 take away 2 leaves us with 3. The difference is 3. 7 take away 5. What is 7 take away 5? 7 take away 5 is 2. Good job. 3 take away 0. This could be a tricky one for some of us. If I have 3 candies and I gave you 0 or I didn't give you any candies, I still have 3 candies. So 3 take away 0 is equal to 3. Good job. Now, let's think about what is subtraction. Here I have some stars. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stars to help us. I have 5 stars and I'm going to take away 2 stars. 1, 2. How many stars are left? Very good. We have 1, 2, 3 stars left. So when we subtract, we end up with a number that is smaller. Subtraction simply means to take away. Just like I took away 2 of the stars, I subtracted. So let's start to think about some of those clue words that tells us to subtract. What are some of the clue words that we look for in a word problem to tell us to subtract? We used some of them already. Yes. Take away. Left. Fewer. Minus. Less. Remain. And then there's one that gets some persons. How many more? That's a trick for some persons. When you see many more, a lot of boys and girls would add. But if I ask how many more boys than girls are in the class, you should subtract. So let's just go over some of our clue words. We have take away, left, fewer, minus, less, remain, many more. When we subtract and we find our answer, do you know what the answer in a subtraction problem is called? Very good. Difference. The answer in a subtraction problem is called the difference. So difference is also one of our clue words. If I ask you to find the difference, then you know you must subtract. So let's see if we can work out a problem. If we have 57, take away 35. Now we have our tens column and we have our ones column, or our ones place and our tens place. So 57 is actually 7 ones and 5 tens. What about 35? 5 ones and 3 tens. When we subtract, we begin with the ones place. 7 take away 5. What is 7 take away 5? Or what is the difference? Excellent. 2. We can now move on to the tens place. 5 take away 3. What is 5 take away 3? Good job. 2. So our difference would be 22. Give yourself 2 snaps and a clap for getting that correct. Now we have a word problem. Read the word problem along with me. There are 24 crayons in a box. Miranda took out 13 crayons. How many crayons are left in the box? Do you see a clue word? A subtraction clue word? Look good. Very good. Left. Left tells us that we should subtract. So we have our ones place and we have our tens place. 24, 4 ones and 2 tens. Take away 13. 3 ones and 1 10. Now we can subtract. And where do we start again? With the ones place. 4 take away 3. What is 4 take away 3? 4 take away 3 leaves us with 1. Excellent. Now we can move on to the tens place. 2 take away 1. What is 2 take away 1? 2 take away 1 is equal to 1. Very good. So our difference would be 11. 11 crayons remain. Good job. Now, we have an exciting part of the lesson. We have mail. Our problem of the day is in this mail. So let's read. It is a friendly letter. April 20th, 2020. Dear Miss Ambrister, my mom made a dozen cupcakes. family ate 10 cupcakes. Can you tell me how many cupcakes remain? Thanks a lot. I know you and the smart boys and girls in the Bahamas can help me. Love, Madison. Okay, Madison is depending on us to help her find out how many cupcakes remain or how many cupcakes are left. But first, we need to think about, she said, her mom made a dozen cupcakes. What is a dozen? Is that a number? Could you tell me the number for 1 dozen? Think about it. Very good. A dozen is equal to 12. So we know that her mom made 12 cupcakes. Her family ate 10 cupcakes. So that would be 0 ones and 1 10. We have our ones place and we have our tens place. Madison also used one of our clue words for subtraction. Can you tell me how many cupcakes remain? Yes, remain tells us to subtract. So let's subtract. We start with our ones place. 2 take away 0 is equal to, very good, 2. Now we can move on to the tens place. 1 take away 1 is equal to, if I have 1 star and I take it away, I have 0. So 1 take away 1 is equal to 0. How many cupcakes remain? 2 cupcakes. Thank you so much for helping us solve the problem of the day and helping Madison. I hope you learned a lot and I hope you enjoyed the lesson.